Good day. My name is Dr. Sundarodivel and I'll be talking about total leukocyte count today. It is a practical demonstration. So what are the aim is to enumerate the white blood cells present in 1 cubic millimeter of blood. The principle behind this experiment is the blood is diluted with a diluting fluid which destroys the red blood corpuscles and stains the nuclei of the white blood cells. The leukocytes are then counted in the hemocytometer. Their number in undiluted blood is calculated. What are the apparatus that are required for this experiment? A compound microscope, hemocytometer, WBC pipette, Turk's fluid, cover slip, disposable lancet and cotton spirit. So you must be familiar with the RBC diluting pipettes, which are the first two with the red bead in it. Those are the RBC pipettes. But for our demonstration, we have to see the lower two pipettes which have a white bead. The main difference between the RBC pipette and the WBC pipette is the RBC pipette has 101 parts while the WBC pipette has 11 parts. What are the composition of Turk's fluid? It contains glacial acetic acid 1.5 ml or 2 ml, gentian violet 1 ml, distilled water 100 ml. The function of glacial acetic acid is to destroy the RBC. Gentian violet colors the nuclei of the WBC. Procedure. So disinfect the finger with spirit. Make a prick and wipe the first drop of blood. Allow a good sized drop to form and then using the WBC pipette draw blood up to 0.5. Now suck on the Turk's fluid up to the mark 11. Mix rolling between the palm. Charge the chamber and wait for 2 to 3 minutes before counting. So the counting is done under low power. Here you see the circled areas of the Newbar's chamber A, B, C and D. So this is where you will be counting the WBCs. The part that is visible in these segments are the nuclei of the WBC. So what you will be seeing is the nuclei of the WBC which will appear as these dots. So I repeat, counting has to be done under low power on the 4 WBC squares. Coming to the calculation, side of 1 WBC square is equal to 1 millimeter. So if you see the Newbar's chamber here, the WBC squares equal to 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter. Therefore, the area of 1 WBC square is equal to 1 millimeter square. The depth of the chamber after placing the cover slip is 1 by 10 millimeter. So we got the height. So we can calculate the volume of the fluid in 1 WBC square equal to 1 by 10 millimeters cube. Volume of fluid in 4 WBC square is equal to 4 by 10 millimeters cube. So we have counted the total number of cells, that is equal to N. So we can say that number of cells in 4 by 10 cubic millimeter of diluted blood is equal to N. We'll change the fraction to a whole number. Number of cells in 1 cubic millimeter of diluted blood is equal to 10N divided by 4. Dilution factor is 1:20. The dilution factor formula is the amount of blood taken divided by the diluting fluid level. So here we have taken 0.5. Sorry, one second. The dilution factor is 1:20. So we'll multiply the product into 20. So coming to the formula, dilution factor, we take the total number of parts divided by the part of blood that has been taken. So here the total number of parts is 10 divided by 0.5 because that is the value of blood taken. So total answer is for the dilution factor is we multiply 10 by 4 into 20 into n. Then we give the result. The WBC count of a given subject is so much cells per cubic millimeter. Normal WBC count is 4,000 to 11,000 cells per cubic millimeter. Thank you.